everyone and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss phrasal verbs that start with T. So let's get started. Our first phrasal verb is take after. Take after means to resemble in appearance or character. Let's observe his sentence construction here. Jimmy really takes after his grandfather, which means that Jimmy resembles in appearance or character with his grandfather. Let's move towards our second phrasal verb, that is take apart. Take apart means to dismantle or separate the components. Let's observe its sentence construction here. The technician has to take the air conditioner apart in order to repair it, which means that the technician has to separate the components of air conditioner for repairing it. Let's move forward. The third phrasal verb here, that is take care of, which means to look after something. Let's observe its sentence construction here. William will take care of John's house while he would be in New York, which means that William will look after John's house while he would be away in New York. Let's move towards our fourth phrasal verb, that is take off. Take off means to leave the ground. Let's observe its sentence construction here. The plane took off at 10 o'clock, which means that the plane left the ground at 10 o'clock. Let's move forward. Our fifth phrasal verb is talk into. Talk into means to persuade someone to do something. Let's observe its sentence construction here. Alina talked with John into buying a new car, which means that Alina persuaded John for buying a new car. Let's move forward. Our sixth phrasal verb is talk out of, which means to persuade someone not to do something. Let's observe its sentence construction here. Her parents tried to talk Annie out of leaving her job, which means that Annie's parents persuaded her not to continue her job. Let's move forward. Our seventh phrasal verb is test out. Test out means to carry out an experiment. Let's observe its sentence construction here. The product has not been tested out yet, which means that the product has not been experimented yet. Let's move forward. Our eighth phrasal verb is think over. Think over means to consider something fully. Let's observe its sentence construction here. I'll have to think over your suggestion before my decision, which means that the speaker has to consider over someone's suggestion before her final decision. Our ninth phrasal verb is think up. Think up means to invent, find or produce by thought. Let's observe its sentence construction here. The kids put the ice cream in the oven because it was cold. Their mother was thinking what she was going to think up next, which means that their kid's mother was deciding to invent or finding or produce by her thought the procedure that will be done next. Let's move forward. Our 10th phrasal verb is throw away or throw out. Both of them would mean to discard as useless or unwanted. Let's observe its sentence construction here. You can throw away that broken sofa. Here, throw away means to discard the useless or unwanted sofa as it was broken. So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Just stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.